Hello friends, welcome to Healthy Kadai. Today we'll be making a nutritionally rich vegetable recipe which is Swanjhane ke Phool or drumstick flowers. These are also known as Moringa flowers or Sahjan ke Phool. Moringa has become really popular these days in India and around the globe for its nutritional properties as it is rich in anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties and a great source of vitamins, minerals, amino acids. These flowers are rich reservoir of calcium, potassium and iron too. So let's quickly see how to make this very healthy vegetable recipe today. Before moving to the video, I would request you to please subscribe to Healthy Kadai if you are new to our channel and click on the bell icon to get regular updates of our new recipes. Firstly, to begin with, we need to soak these flowers or buds of drumsticks in water, in salty water for overnight or 8 to 10 hours. These flowers are quite bitter in taste, so we need to remove the bitterness out of these flowers. So we have already soaked it. Now after soaking, we'll drain out the excess water and then we need to boil these in salty water again. Once the water starts to boil, we'll cook it for at least 10 to 12 minutes until these turn little mushy. Post that, drain the flowers and put it under running water. At this time you can taste the flowers. If it still feels bitter, then you can again boil it and then drain out the excess water. Add more fresh water to the flowers and wash it nicely. Now we need to squeeze out extra water using our hands. It will mash up the flowers, but it's fine. You can squeeze out the water in small batches. Next, we'll take a pressure cooker into which we'll heat 1 tablespoon of mustard oil. Splatter cumin seeds or zira in it and then add chopped ginger and garlic to it. Saute it for a few seconds. And then add chopped onions to it. After that, add all the spices. Here goes salt, red chili powder. This is Kashmiri red chili powder only for color. Turmeric powder, red chili powder again, coriander powder. And then we need to combine all these spices with onion. Just keep on sauteed. We'll cook it for another 5 to 10 minutes. Once the onions are done, then we'll add tomato puree. Here I've used 4 to 5 tomatoes. Just simply grind it in a mixer grinder jar and add it. We'll cook this onion tomato mixture for another 5 minutes. And then we'll add peas to it. We need to cook this vegetable on medium flame. After that, we'll add curd in it. Continue to stir it nicely when you add curd, otherwise it will get curdled. Curd will give a very nice flavor to our vegetable. Instead of curd, one can also add cream. Continue to cook it on medium flame for another 5 to 10 minutes till all the masala has cooked up really very well and you can feel the fragrance coming out of it. Our masala is done. It's time to add our boiled drumstick flowers in it. Just add the complete quantity and then mix it well. Add little water if you want. Then we need to pressure cook the vegetable until we get 2 to 3 whistles. Making this vegetable in pressure cooker is very simple. It's the easiest way to make this Swanjhane ke Phool. And our Swanjhane ke Phool is ready to serve. You can add little garam masala and little cream to it and cook it for 1 more minute if you want. Otherwise, you can straight away serve it. One can serve this vegetable for breakfast, lunch and even for dinner. You can have it with roti, bread. You have to try out once to know how tasty this vegetable is. Not many people know that these flowers can even be cooked. So friends, do try it out and let me know how does it turn out for you. If you liked watching today's video, please give us a thumbs up, share our videos with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to Healthy Kadai to watch more such healthy and interesting recipes. Until our next video, happy cooking and stay healthy.